What's up, YouTube? Champagne Capo once again bringing you another video. Got some tickets for you guys tonight, a couple low boys. These are all from the CVS Vending Machine right next to my house, and I got a couple of new scratching coins that I'm going to bring out. These are just laying around on my desk. I did watch Star Wars today with my kids. It was a pretty decent film, but I wish I had more action to it. But I guess it leads on to a new saga, I guess. I don't want to spoil it for you with you guys, but it's worth watching. Then I got my $5 Morongo chip that I had laying in my pocket, and then of course pay homage to my Air Force coin. So I guess because we watched Star Wars, let's go with the Star Wars coin. It's a limited edition. You could probably get this for a couple dollars on eBay, but episode 3, which was probably my favorite Star Wars. So let's see what the dealer has. Hopefully he can bring us some luck. Let's give a little kiss. Darth Vader, who's my favorite character. Don't tell me you got a flush. Oh my gosh, a flush. What beats a flush? Full house, a 4 of kind, and a straight flush, and a royal flush. Not that many hands. Fast chip, Sayao, and 47. 5, 2, 2, nothing. 2, 6, 7, nothing. Queen, 7, wow, nothing. I'll be really surprised if we get something here. Dealer just killed it. Oh, 4 of a kind. Alright. So we got a winner here, because a 4 of a kind or poker beats 2, 3, 4, 6, 4, 5, 7, 10, no. And ace, ace, 3, nothing. I don't even think does a full house beat a flush? Oh, it does, but we didn't get one, no. Okay, let's see what the bonus chip is. 1x. So what do you guys think that is? I have no clue. $15. All right, I'll take it. $15. Ticket number 5, low card again. Works out for me. Let's see if I could focus this a little bit better. I think that's a little bit sharper. Let's go with the California Black. Get a 10x, a 5x, and a win all symbol. 35, 27. Hope you guys are doing well. You could, like I said, you guys see that? That's from the hospital, from poking me incorrectly. Look at that. My hands are like, here's one they couldn't get me on. Here's a couple right here. So if you saw my last video, which, you know, not trying to bring attention to it, but was in the hospital. Whatever. Watch the other video if you're interested. 9. But it's crazy. Oh, I thought that was a 39, 44, 11, 36, 28. Hopefully you guys are getting ready for the new year. I certainly am. Because it's going to be a great year. It's going to be positive. 2018, we're going to bring it. Get some more money. Get some more tickets. Bring you guys some good content. 37. Alright. 37. Because your boy gets lucky every now and then. I don't get that lucky, but I do get lucky. 43. 42. 26. And deuce 9. Alright. 37. What is it? $6. I'll take it. Because you know what? We're going to go to the gas station after this and get some more tickets. Alright, let's do this one. I don't know if I've won on this one yet. So you can get a 3x, a 7x, or a 7 symbol to win all 18 prizes. 41, 26, 34, 39, 44, 24, 43, 21. And I wasn't able to post our scratch off challenge that I have with the Life is Good because I was in the hospital, so I apologize for that. I was trying to do a video, but I didn't get any cell connection, and didn't really have any, wasn't in a position to be recording, so let's just leave it as that. But I apologize for not that, and I apologize to Life is Good for not being able to upload in time or get tickets for it. But check us out every Thursday, 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and we got some making up to do. 13, excuse me, 33, 38, my squad, you're not here. Come on, baby. Deuce, deuce. And Brady. Nope. Ticket number 20 is a bus. Second chance for that. Okay, this pure gold. I haven't won really anything major on this one. 31, 19, 45, 25, 38, my squad. Jose Canseco, 28, 39, 6. Yeah, I think it's all I've been winning is $6 on this one. Haven't won on the game 3, which is triple your prize, or win on game 5, which is 5 times your prize. Brady, 2, 2. Look at all these 2s. 32, 4, 36, 8, 9, 27, 16, 10, 11, 40, 20, 24, and number 1. Let's clean it off. Okay, first number 21. 22, nope. Lucky number 13, nope. 18, we're missing it by 1. 41, come on, baby. 41, 40. It's weird to see these solid numbers, 40 and 20. And MJ. Okay, 53 is a bust. This right here, the bands, the odds are pretty high. 1 in 5/8 and 1 in 3.58. So let's see the bonus. Come on, baby. What does that mean? Lightning? Oh no, we didn't get anything. 30, 19, 44, 3, 36, 41, 26. Come on, baby. 21, 25, 33, 24, 45, deuce, 32, 18, 16. Anybody going anywhere for New Year's? Staying home? Anybody lighting fireworks? I guess this the chatter on social media is who's going to be doing that. 43, 28, nothing. 27. Come on, we need a big win to blow out the new year. 7. Last one. 42. Nope. Nothing here. So 3 tickets, 2 winning. We played 5. 3 losers. And we have 2 winners for $21. So then we spent 25. So we are down the hole so far, not including these. Let's see if the emerald 10s, and we are chasing that green or black 10 or the emerald, because we've already gotten the double dollar signs plenty of times. Say out 55. So hopefully MJ 43, we can get a 10. Come on, baby. 29. So I have not seen it. I am curious to see what that is. Wow, 11, 9, 13, 16, 28, 39, 8, and 22. Nope. Ticket number 33 is a loser. $10 California Black Premium. Ticket number 10. Come on, baby. 38, my squad. 49, 16, 34, 37, 27. So we had a good start, but we kind of slowed down. 7. Hopefully we can see if we can pick up the pace. 46. Lucky number 13, 32. Come on, multiplier. Don't be shy. 25, 41. Blackjack, 42. So there's nothing sweeter than scratching your ticket and uncovering like a 5x, a 10x, a 20x, whatever multiplier it is. I think I get more excited scratching that than I do matching a number. I don't know how you guys feel about that. I'm trying to zoom in for you because it looks blurry from my computer. I don't think I get that excited matching numbers rather than I seeing a multiplier. 28. Comment down below. Let me know how you guys feel about that. 8. 22, because we're hunting right now. Come on. 26. And I'm not one to buy many from the vending machine. I don't think I'm lucky that way. But I had to go to CVS, so might as well. 36. So nothing. Wow. Last ticket right here. The hit it big. The challenge. Hopefully ticket number 6. Hopefully something good. Bell. Star. Horseshoe. Hit. Alright. That's all we needed. We needed a hit to automatically win that prize. So we'll go back to that. Let's see if we can get some numbers. 26, 35, 19, 12, 27, 6, 2, 36, 37, 43, 13. So it's around 11 p.m. in Southern California. I might just go get some more tickets with these winnings and see how we do. So they have a vending machine at that gas station I'm going to go to. So for those of you who are curious, 38 my squad, if the vending machine is lucky, and of course that will vary on players, but I play it every now and then to mix it up. 3. But we could compare this session with the gas station session with the vending machine and see how we do. 45. I'll probably get the same amount of tickets. Hopefully get the same amount of same kind of tickets and see if they're any good. 41. Come on, baby. Let's match something. 14. And I hate this because here you can win a ticket. If this shouldn't be any ticket wins over here. And that's happened to me before. 34. If you win anything, it should be, the prize should be money, not a ticket. 18. Nope. 11. Nope. And last one, 48. Okay, got nothing. Let's see what this is. It's money. Alright, $25. Nice. $25 hit. I don't think we missed anything. 48. So I'll check it out later. We got enough to go buy more tickets, so we have 25 and 21. Right, so $46. And we lost on these tickets right here 35 bucks. We lost on $35. So that does it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Catch me in the next video. Champagne Capo out. Peace.